there exists within me, an effervescent ember, a childlike spirit yearning to be seen, to be cherished, to bask in the golden glow of recognition. I am a seeker of attention, of mirth, of a place where my soul can dance unshackled. But unlike those who thrive solely in the excitement of social life, or those who find peace only in solitude, I find myself in between. I am an ambivert, a traveler between the realms, thriving in the embrace of others, yet finding sanctuary in my own company. Affection is my sustenance, the lifeblood that courses through me, igniting the warmth where the cold of indifference threatens to creep in. It is not a mere indulgence, but a fundamental chord in the symphony of my being. And when life becomes too heavy, I do not succumb in despair. I escape, not in defeat, but in defiance. I lost myself in joy, in the unfiltered ecstasy of play, whether through the boundless possibilities of games or the wild embrace of the open world. I weave an existence where laughter is both sword and shield. For the longest time, life felt like a never-ending struggle, an uphill climb with no end in sight. I was adrift, believing my burdens were singular, my struggles unseen, but I was blind to the truth far more profound. I was never alone. Silent sentinels of love stood beside me, unnoticed yet unwavering. They saw me when I thought I was invisible, and they embraced me when I thought I was untouchable. And so here I am, not changed but illuminated. I do not seek to rewrite myself, nor do I long to be anyone but the soul that I am. I still hunger for joy, still crave connection, still retreat into moments of solitude. But now, I do so with the knowledge that I am not merely existing. I am cherished. I am enough. And in this realization, I have found the happiness that was always mine to claim. Thank you.